Messed up to manipulate.
Economic footing. We as elected officials need to embrace new energy sources in our communities. We have to have an economy that's good.
Look like some burning right here. I just wiped some off, but I don't know.
There's no deep pocket, so it's not worth it. Okay, dude, seriously. Honestly, I think this case is worth something, but you're such a liar about so many things that you're making me just...